Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking an integer value or numeric string, convert it to int, immediately so Python treats it as a number. You do this because built-in conversion avoids manual parsing and prevents subtle errors. Once done, use bin for a quick binary string. This returns a 0b prefix you can strip. Make sure to handle negative numbers explicitly by checking sign before calling bin. That preserves semantics and prevents confusion when you display results. Now you execute the conversion with precision. Call bin n to get a Python binary literal, then remove the 0b prefix with 2, slicing or strip 0b carefully. For negative values, compute sign equals if n0 else and convert abs, n so the bit pattern is correct, then reattach the sign. If you need fixed width, use format n08b or format abs n f0 width b, because format gives predictable padding and is easy to read in code. Finally, return or print the cleaned binary string and confirm the sign handling. This completes the conversion. If an exception occurs when casting, catch value error and inform the user to provide an integer string. Doing so prevents crashes and clarifies input expectations. When things go wrong, test simple edge cases like 0 and negative numbers and verify very large integers work. Because Python handles big ints differently than fixed-size languages, adjust formatting or slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.